So we've been spending a lot of time recently working on the Joanna Marsh piece. It's a brand new commission, so it's a very modern style of writing. There's lots of tonal language to get our heads around and lots of intervals to really pitch and work out in detail. So lots of our rehearsal time has been spent getting to grips with that and working, of course, with how it fits with the libretto by David Pountney.
I come, she offered up her life.
So the tenor and bass section in particular narrate the story, and there's one really good bit where we actually narrate the events of the derby, and we go into such detail that we actually talk about the numbers that the riders are wearing. So this piece doesn't really hide away from detail at all, which is great for us to really get into the story and get into the music even more.
A great feature of Joanna Marsh's piece is that the sopranos and altos have sections where they sing without the tenors and basses, and we tell stories about Queen Mary's diary and first-hand accounts from Emily Pankhurst.
We really enjoy the challenge of the piece, everything it offers, and we think by the time we get to the concert it'll be a really atmospheric performance. We're really looking forward to it.